Hello everyone, this is Fazal or Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you are enjoying my project videos. Today I brought you a project on social media platform, and the title of the project here is Twitter Emoticons. Okay, let's see what are the things are there in this project. First of all, let me show you the research paper of this project to understand it very clearly. The title says Unsupervised Sentiment Classification of Twitter Data Using Emoticons. Emoticons is nothing but the textual part of representation of an emotion of the user. Okay, textual symbolic representation of emotions. Let me give you an example here. This is the total research paper abstract. And if I scroll down here, we have some examples here. I'll show you the examples, how emoticons will be categorized. Yeah, here it is. Example here, tweet C, where emoticon matches tweet sentiment. What is tweet C? I am very happy to be part of your team. Okay, this is positive, happy. And you can see here, this is nothing but a character, okay, character-based representation of emotions. And this matches with the textual emotion. Okay, both textual emotion as well as the character emotion matches here. Next example, tweet D, where emoticon does not match tweet sentiment. What is tweet D? The movie ended in a sad note. I was crying a lot. But here the emoticon is sad, okay, happy. The textual sentiment emotion is bad, we can say. But here the emoticon is happy emoticon user has given. So how can we categorize such data is the concept of the project. Example, tweet E, where emoticon matches tweet sentiment. Tweet E, what it is? I really hate this maths class. It matches. It's totally bad or negative. And you can see the emoticon is also negative. Tweet F, where emoticon does not match tweet sentiment. What is tweet F here? These are all the emoticons. What is tweet F? Let's see that. Here it is. Of course, you are very intelligent. Okay, of course, you are very intelligent, positive. But here, the emoticons does not match. Okay, it's not happy, it's not positive. Okay, you can see all the examples, explanation here in tweet C, the sentiment of the sentence and the emoticon present in the tweet match. Hence, classification of tweet C results as positive with or without emoticon. With or without emoticon, it's positive. In tweet D, sentiment words sad and cry both indicate negative polarity, whereas emoticon, this indicates that the sentiment of the tweet is positive about the movie. Okay. In this case, emoticon play an important role in classification of tweet correctly. So emoticon plays an important role here to classify the tweet correctly. Next, in tweet E, emoticons and the text match the tweet sentiment. Whereas tweet F is a sarcastic sentence where a person is showing anger with emoticon. Okay, here is anger. What it is? Of course, you are very intelligent. This is the anger here. Of course, you are very intelligent. Okay, with this symbol. But the sentiment word intelligent indicates positive sentiment. So from these example tweets, we can conclude that the considering emoticons or emojis adds to the efficiency of classification. So there is a need of emoticons classifications as well in the tweets. That's why we are implementing here some algorithm unsupervised sentiment classification using the emoticons. USA emoticons. Okay, unsupervised sentiment classification. Let's see the project. Okay. This is the landing page. Let me tell you what are the technologies we are using in this project. For front-end technologies, we are using HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. For backend programming, we are using Python here, and framework is Django framework. Database is MySQL database. There are two different types of users interacting in this project. One is the administrator, another is the user. Let me open these two users in two different tabs for better and easy flow of our project. First of all, administrator here. Next, I'll open user in a new tab. Let's go to user and try to register a new user here. Let me provide some details. Mobile number, address, profile photo. Password, confirm password, register. But password requires some validation. So let us give the correct password with all the, okay, one uppercase, one number, and one special character. So registration is completed successfully. Let's go to login and try to perform login. Let me give wrong password here. Make sure the password includes a digit. Okay. Invalid username and password. Let's try one more time with the actual values. And your account is not activated by the administrator. Some option, some warning message is coming. Let's go to administrator and log in with admin credentials, and we will activate this user account. You can see here, this is the admin dashboard we have created, and where we can see some information like positive emoticons, how many are there, negative emoticons, neutral emoticons, and very positive emoticons. This is the information. And the user management, we have two different options here, authorized user and view all users. Let's go to authorized user. And here we can see there is a user here. Let's accept this user account. And it's accepted. Now I should be able to log in with this data credentials now. Login. Login successful. And now we can see here there is a main page is there, where we can see some, it's a kind of Twitter user interface, a similar kind of one. And here left side, we can see my profile is there. And in the home page, we can see here some sort of, okay, post which has been done by different users. Let's, okay, come back here and go to my profile. Okay, this is my profile here. I can update anything like Hyderabad, update profile. It's updated. Search tweets is there. If I want to search some tweets, like if I say here wisdom, enter, and you can see that tweet text based on that, it search this one. Okay, search tweet is also there. And okay, this tweet doesn't have any kind of emoticon. Now tweet is the option here. Let's go and tweet here. Let's tweet something. Today I feel happy. And I'll give the emoticon as sad. Let's upload the picture as well. Post. It's posted. You can see today I feel happy. Okay, this is the post. Next, let's do it again. It was very fantastic day at Dubai Mall. I enjoyed a lot. Let's upload the photo. Post. You can see the posted. Okay, this is the post. This doesn't have any kind of emoticon. Let's try to post again. Very boring day. I'll provide here emoticon as happy. Okay, let's see the classification. Upload the photo. Post. So three different posts we have made here. This is the first post. Post what it is. Today I feel happy. The textual representation, okay, of emotion is positive, but the emoticon is doesn't matches. It is negative, sad. The next post is, it was very fantastic day at Dubai Mall. I enjoyed a lot. Doesn't have any kind of emoticon, but this is very positive emotion. Let's see the third one. Very boring day. This text is okay, negative, but here the emoticon is very positive. Let's go to admin and check what is happening with these sentiments. Administrator, and here we have seen authorized users and all users are there here. Okay, this user is accepted already. Now let's go to accuracy comparison and see here tweet table. Under tweet table, if I go, three different posts are there. Okay, and the first post you can see is this. Today I feel happy. Positive sentiment, but the emoticon sentiment is negative here. Okay, emoticon is negative. Second tweet was this. It was very fantastic day at Dubai Mall. I enjoyed a lot. Very positive sentiment. Okay, textual sentiment, but no emoticon is there. And the third tweet was this. Very boring day. Negative, but the emoticon is positive here. So in this way, we are categorizing our unsupervised sentiment analysis, okay, of emotions. Let's go to USA emoticons versus OTAW and check the graph here. Negative is 2, positive 1, very positive one here. And emoticon analysis, negative 2, positive 1, and very positive one. This is the comparison. So this was the project explanation and execution. Okay. Hope you got the concept, how we are trying to implement the unsupervised sentiment, okay, classification, emotion classification in this project. We have created a Twitter kind of, okay, user interface for showing our project concept. So hope I have conveyed the project explanation. With this, I conclude the project execution and explanation. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.